Myself, Dr. Umaira. I am from JT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. My topic is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is also denoted by ER, is a definite cytoplasmic cell organelle observed in all eukaryotic cells. It was initially invented by Garnier in 1897 with the help of a light microscope. Recently, in 1961, Porter studies endoplasmic reticulum with the help of ultra microscope. According to him, endoplasmic reticulum is a complex and finely divided vascular system extending from the nucleus throughout the cytoplasm to the margins of cell. Endoplasmic reticulum occurs in all types of eukaryotic cells. The proportion of it depends upon the type of cell. It is totally missing in bacteria, RBC, and in embryonic cell. For example, spermatocytes have poorly developed endoplasmic reticulum, but the cells of pancreas contain highly developed endoplasmic reticulum. In striated muscle fibers, it is arranged in the form of network of tubules, commonly known as sarcoplasmic reticulum. But in mammalian liver cells, it occurs in the form of parallel lamellae of uniform size. It is divided into two types, granular or rough endoplasmic reticulum and agranular or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The granular type of endoplasmic reticulum possess rough wall due to presence of ribosomes which remain attached to these membranes. These ribosomes play vital role in protein synthesis, for example in pancreatic cells. The next type of endoplasmic reticulum is agranular. This type does not possess ribosomes. This type of endoplasmic reticulum occurs in those cells that are not actively involved in the synthesis of protein molecule, for example, adipose cells, intestinal cells, muscle cells, and leukocytes. Morphologically, the endoplasmic reticulum composed of three kinds of structures, each bounded by a unit membrane made up of protein and lipid. These are cisternae, which is long flattened sac-like structure, remain arranged parallel to form bundles. The second structure of it is nothing but the vesicles. These are either globular or oval in shape, having vacuolar appearance. They remain isolated in cytoplasm. The third form is tubules. These are branched structure forming reticular system along with cisternae and vesicles. The function of endoplasmic reticulum is of different way. It provides skeletal framework to the cell and gives mechanical support to cytoplasmic matrix. It also provides large surface area for metabolic activities. The membrane of endoplasmic reticulum contain many enzymes which perform various synthetic and metabolic activities. It also acts as an internal circulatory or transporting system Different types of secretory products of granular endoplasmic reticulum are transported to specific organoids. The membrane of it also involved in conducting intracellular impulses. For example, sarcoplasmic reticulum transmits impulses from surface membrane to deep regions of muscle fibers. It also protects cell from toxic effects of certain substance, that is helpful in detoxification. Granular endoplasmic reticulum involved in the synthesis of new protein molecules due to presence of ribosome, while agranular is concerned with the synthesis of lipid molecules, that is involved in lipid metabolism. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum in liver cells brings about synthesis of glycogen, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum is also concerned with synthesis of cellulose and steroid molecules. It is also responsible for the synthesis of visual pigments in the cells of retina from vitamin A. Thank you. Thank you very much.